Generative AI versus Agentic AI versus AI agents. Hello folks, welcome back to the channel. I am Chakra here. Today we are tackling one of the most confusing conversations in the world of artificial intelligence right now. Generative AI versus Agentic AI versus AI agents. Three terms. They sound similar. They overlap a bit. But they are not the same thing. And mixing them up could seriously confuse how we think about the future of AI. Starting simple, generative AI. Let's start simple with one most of us know, that is generative AI. This type of AI that creates content. You type a prompt and boom, it generates a response. That response might be a paragraph of text, a beautiful AI generated image, a music track, even a piece of code tools. Tools like ChatGPT, Sora, Midjourney are classic examples. But here is the thing, generative AI is reactive. It only works when you tell it to. It doesn't make plans. It doesn't do anything on its own. It doesn't have goals. It's like a super smart painter or writer sitting at your desk waiting for your instructions. AI agents. AI agents are software systems that use AI not just to respond but to take action. Think of them as mini task boards. You give them a goal and they break it into steps, use tools like web browsers or APIs, make decisions along the way, and sometimes even correct their own mistakes. For example, I could say, find me a flight to New York under $300 and book it using my calendar availability. A generative AI might help to write the search query, but an AI agent can actually go out and do the research, compare the prices, and even attempt the booking. AI agents often use generative AI under the hood, but they go beyond it. The future concept, Agentic AI. Now, here is the real mind bender, Agentic AI. This isn't a specific tool or product. It's a concept, an idea, and a design goal. Agentic AI refers to systems that behave with agency, meaning they don't just execute a task, they set goals, adapt strategies, learn from the results, reflect on their own performance, and even collaborate with humans and other agents over the time. It's like giving an AI not just a task, but a mission, and letting it to figure out the best way to achieve it. Imagine telling an AI, help me grow my YouTube channel. An agent might optimize your thumbnails. An agentic AI would ask, what kind of audience do you want to attract? Then go off and analyze the competition, identify the trends, test the strategies, and report back with what's working and what's not. It starts to feel less like a tool and more like a teammate. Comparing the three, let's do a quick side-by-side so it really sticks. Generative AI creates. You give it a prompt, it gives you content. AI agents act. You give them a goal, they break it down and take steps to complete it. Agentic AI thinks. It has the capacity for long-term reasoning, self-direction, and autonomous learning. In short, generative AI is equal to passive creator. AI agents is equal to active doer. Agentic AI is equal to autonomous thinker. Each one builds on the last. Where are we now? So, where are we today in 2025? Generative AI is mainstream and mature. AI agents are becoming more powerful, especially with frameworks like AutoGPT, Crew AI, and language graphs. Agentic AI, we are still in the early stages. Some startups and labs are experimenting with these capabilities, but full-blown agentic AI is still largely experimental. A lot of tools claim to be agentic, but they are really just agents with memory and a fancy label. So, next time someone says AI can already think for itself, you'll know it better. Generative AI, AI agents, and agentic AI are all steps on a ladder, but they are very different rungs. If you found this episode helpful, give it a like, leave a comment, and consider subscribing for more breakdowns like this one. And hey, what are you most excited about when it comes to agentic AI? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for listening, and I'll catch you in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe.